happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, I hope you have completed the notes of your previous chapter. Yes? Today we will start a new chapter, that is your chapter number 3, editing text in Word. Yes. Today we are going to move to part 1 of this chapter. I am just going to give you the introduction about our Microsoft application, that is Word. Now dear kids, let me tell you first of all what all things we can make in our Word. Yes, as you can see in these pictures, these two pictures, the first one is a newsletter, the second one is some sort of magazine. Yes, so dear kids, these all the things you can make in Word in this creative way. Yes, you can make the newsletter, you can make the magazines, you can take the prints like this. Even your textbook as well, which you are using currently now, that is your computer textbook, that is also being made with the help. The text and the pictures which are there in the textbook, it is being there with the help of this Microsoft application, that is Word. Understood? So what all things we can do with this application? To type newsletter, to type any sort of article, to like publish any magazine, then any books, whatever content you have to write in a creative way, in the best way. You can do all that with the help of this Word. But to do all these things, what you have to do? You have to learn it well, how to operate it. Okay, so let us start. As you can see, dear kids, this is your desktop. Yes, the first screen. Now on the desktop at the bottom you are having the taskbar. Yes, can you see my cursor? Just follow my cursor. It is written here, type here to search. So you will click on it. Okay, then you will type there Word. Yes, that is the Microsoft applications which we are having. We will double click on it to open it. We will double click on it to open it. As you can see, the our application has been opened. Once again I will show you how to open the Word, Microsoft Word. Okay. This is your desktop. At the bottom you are having the taskbar. Here in the search box you will type Word. So you will get the application. You will double click on it to open it. Yes. Then this type of screen you will see. You have to click on blank document. Just a single click, not a double click. Just a single click. As you can see, dear kids, we have our Word window over here. Yes, this is your Word window, dear kids. Yes, and I will just give you the introduction. I will tell you about the tabs and all. Now, first of all, can you follow my cursor over here? Yes, on the top left hand side. Here you are having the option of save, that undo and redo. 3 options you are having. This bar is known as quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. Okay, over here you are having. Then as you can see over here, your document 1 is written. This is known as title bar. Yes, here it is known as title bar. Once you will save your document name will appear here. Okay. Then on the right hand side top you are having 3 buttons, that is minimize, maximize, close. On the top right corner, minimize, maximize, close button. Then dear kids, these all are the tabs which are available to you. File tab, home tab, insert, design, layout, references, mailings, review, view and help. ये सारे क्या हैं? Tabs हैं. These all are known as tabs, and down you can see here clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, editing. These all are the groups available. Okay, in the home tab you are having different groups. In the insert tab you will be having different groups. As you can see over here, tabs के अंदर जो हैं, these all are known as groups. Then in the design tab as well, you can see you will have the different groups as well, such as page background colors and fonts, all these. Understood, dear kids? Yes? Okay. Now, here the white area you can see over here. Yes, this is the area where you can type your text. You can format it. You can do all these things with the help of this word window. Okay. Then here you are having the margins. Yes, on the left side you are having this margin. Yes, that is known as left margin. It is known as left margin. Understood, dear kids? Is it clear to you all? Then here on the right hand side you are having the scroll bar. As you can see my cursor, just follow the cursor over here, dear kids. Yeah, on the right hand side you are having the scroll bar to move up and down on the page. To move up and down on the page. Then here you can see some numbers over here. This is known as the top margin. Here it is known as top margin. Okay, the left margin, the top margin, and the scroll bar, that is the vertical scroll bar you can say. Understood, dear kids? Yes? Are you all clear with the introduction part? Yes or no? Dear kids, now here on the bottom you are having page 1-on-1. Just follow my cursor slowly. Yes, here you are having page 1-on-1. That means we are currently working on the first page. Number of words, 0 words. The language which we are using for typing. This area is known as status bar. This area is known as status bar. Understood? Is it clear to you all? Yes? Very nice, dear kids. I hope you are clear with this introduction parts. We have studied some of the parts of the word window. In detail, we will go one by one in our next video lesson. Okay? For today, this was it, dear kids. You have to just go through the video again and again, and you have to see what are the tabs, what are the groups. Okay? Once again, quickly I will tell you. Okay? On the top you are having quick access toolbar. Yes. Then file tab, home tab, insert tab, design tab. These all are the tabs in the word window. Then down here you are having clipboard, font, paragraph. These all are known as groups. Okay? On the top you are having document 1 word. That is your document name, and this area is known as title bar. Then on the top right corner you are having 3 buttons, that is minimize, maximize, close. Okay? Then here on the left hand side you are having some numbers written. That is the left margin, and over here on the top you are having the top margin. Then on the right hand side you are having the scroll bars. That is the vertical scroll bars, dear children. Understood? Is it clear to you all? Yes? Very nice, dear children. Now we will meet next time, and we will study in detail about each and every part of our word window, and we will be doing some practicals as well. So dear children, today this was it. Now we will meet next time with something more and more interesting in this chapter. Till then, bye-bye all. God bless you. Take care.